individual,
We're
actually.
not just gonna.
Hi, my name is Tamara Smith. I am today going to show you how to pull a permit for Arapahoe County. This will be used for pulling permits as well as ordering inspections. So I am here, as you can see, on Arapahoe County's site here. We're going to go to departments. I'm going to come over here to building. Scroll down here, permits online, and go ahead and get us logged in. See if this is it. It's a different one. All right, here we are. I'm going to save this for Adam. All right, so we're going to go here. You're going to look at this page here. We're going to go to building. And of course, most of these have all their privacy policies and everything. You're going to say, I've read this and you've accepted the terms, which we have as a company already, so it's all good. And you're going to continue with the app. All right, so applicant here, it should already be in the system, so we're going to select from account. Teresa is the main one in here, which we're always going to leave that as so. We'll keep Teresa there. We're going to continue the app. We're going to go ahead and put in, let's try a make-believe. It probably is really there, but it's not going to be one we actually pull. This is just for training purposes. So we'll see if that's a good one. No, let's try something else here. So we're going to go here. That is definitely not one of our customers. It's just like I said, we're just doing this for training purposes. I will definitely not buy this permit. So we're going to, once you put in the right address, just so you know, of our client, all of a sudden, all this stuff will show up. And you don't need to push anything else. You'll just go back on here to continue. And what I normally put here is I will put tearing off old roof and placing, can I spell today? With new asphalt roof. We'll do shingle just so we're clear. And that's all you need in there. Now, here in this area, there will be times that we'll do tile. Ben does most of these Arapahoe County ones. There are some homes that do have tile, and he gets approval for that. He's worked with them quite often, so you need to make sure you put that in there. And we're just going to guesstimate here. I will tell you, when it gives you this option, and it does not give you the option of total evaluation or just labor and materials, just do labor and material here at all. Just that's you're going to be doing a lot better than putting in the total evaluation of this job. Let's say it's an $18,000 roof, and we're going to do labor and materials at, like, let's say $45.80 or something. And so, it's probably another $1,000 higher than that, but I'm just guessing here. But make sure that you do know that this is very important, because what you put in this amount here for Arapahoe County will let you know how much that permit's going to be. So we're going to come down here to permit type, and you're going to put in re-roof. All right. And so this is going to give you the final review here, and this is where I'm going to stop, because it's going to be very simple. The very next screen is going to be to pay fees. So here it's just giving you the review of what you're doing. You're doing a re-roof, and here's the job evaluation. It's the detail of tearing off the old roof and replacing with a new asphalt shingled roof, and the permit type is re-roof. So I'm going to go ahead and end this one, but it's going to be very detailed as far as what you do on this next for pay fees. It's going to pretty much say, all right, what is your credit card, what's your name, what's your address, and so on and so forth. And you're just going to pay that fee. And that's all you need. So that's very simple. This is a simple one, Arapahoe County is. So I'm going to go ahead and just go back to home. Changes you may not be saved. I'm going to go ahead and leave. And there we're back to main page here. And that is how you pull a permit. And then there's also going to be times where, let me see here, if I can do this while I'm in here. Here you go. I wanted to show you this. So here you're going to go ahead and instead of create an application, schedule inspection, leave. And this is going to show you here on the portal everywhere that we have obviously ordered a permit and it was issued. And most of these should all have inspections already, but this is where you'll go. You'll click on that and then give the details. It probably will ask you, do you want an AM or PM inspection, something like that. But this is where you can actually schedule the inspection as well. So thank you so much.